operators here. One is OR operator, AND operator, star operator. Okay, 3 operator we are supposed to understand in this particular thing here. Okay, so what is mean plus operator here? Plus andre so OR operator meaning this way or that way. Okay, OR operator. Okay, AND operator meaning both we are choosing. Okay, so that is what. Okay, meaning here any one input is true, what we are telling it is true, correct? But in AND operator both should be true, then only it is true, like that. Okay, so star operator meaning any length including 0. So these 3 things you are supposed to understand it. Okay, so star meaning any length, okay, including 0 length. Okay, so that I told it in a couple of days back only, so you should try to understand that particular thing. Okay, great. Yes, once we understood what are these 3 operators here, okay, we shall try to move on this. Okay, great. So what are the things we should try to understand here is, okay, great. So type number, what is the type number? 16, I guess. Okay. Okay, so type number 17 problems we are doing now. Okay, so great. I mean, we'll give you names like this. Type number 17. Great. Okay, so the problem number is 116 here. Okay, so we shall try to learn. Okay, so in type number 17 what we are trying to do here is okay, construct an NFA, okay, with epsilon modes. Okay, so it's a very easiest to get the marks here. Okay, in this type. So construct an NFA with epsilon moves. That's a 100% question, guys. Okay, you will get 100%. Compulsory will get this question in the examination hall. Okay, so type number 17. Okay, construct an NFA with epsilon moves. Okay, so this you will get 15 marks. This is a 15 marks problem here. Okay, so we are try to understand in a beautiful way here. Okay, great. Okay, great. Okay, so we shall try to see how we can do this particular problems here. Okay, so now before jumping into the actual problem here, okay, I'll try to give a basic things here. Okay, 3 basic things you are supposed to understand here. Okay, so basic, okay, requirement. Okay, or you can also say that prerequisite. Okay, okay. So what is the prerequisite we require to do this particular type of problem here is, so 3 basic requirements are there. One is that what whenever we're talking about this unit, always you're supposed to understand that plus, dot, and also we try to understand star symbol. Okay, so we are playing with those operators. Okay, great. So what is that plus here? Now see, whenever you get for example plus meaning r. Okay, first I will talk about dot operator. Okay, first I will talk about dot operator, then we'll go for plus operator, then we'll go for star operator. Okay, so for dot operator, how to use it? Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, please listen carefully here. So dot operator, what it will does? Okay, meaning and. Okay, meaning and. Okay, great. For example, okay, example, I'll talk about by giving an example here. For example, I want to join two symbols. Probably everyone aware about symbols, no? So I'll just talk about those symbols now. Okay. So I want to say, for example, 0, 1. So both are symbols now. 0 and 1 both are symbols. Yes or no? Yes, great. So in between that, I will use dot operator. Meaning, see, 0 dot 1. Meaning what is the operator we are using? Dot operator. Meaning and here. Okay. So this is 0 is a symbol. 1 is also a symbol. Okay. And this 0, sorry, dot, it is an operator. Okay. Understood, guys? Got the clarity here? Okay, great. So now, whenever talking about two symbols, one operator here, it's a dot operator or and operator functions we are doing. Okay, great. So now how to write a diagram part here? Okay, how to write a diagram part? Okay, so just you're supposed to try to understand. Okay, great. So 0.1 here. Okay, great. Just wait a moment, guys. Wait a moment. Okay, 1 minute. That's great. Okay, we shall try to see a few more things here. Okay, great. So 0.1 also we are writing in the form of 0, 1. Okay, see this 0.1. Okay, also we are writing like this 0, 1. Okay, see if I don't write dot here, okay, it is nothing but there is a dot is present there. Okay, you're you're supposed to understand this part. Okay, so there is no necessary of writing a dot here. Okay, if at all I don't write dot here, its meaning is there is a dot is present here. See, like that. Okay, dot is present. Okay, so both are same, guys. Okay, now if they're given 0.1, it's dot operator only. If they're not given, if they write without dot like this, okay, so then you're supposed to understand this is a dot operator. Okay, both are same here. Okay, great. So how to construct for this dot operator? Okay, so this, yeah, you must and should you should know this one. Okay, it's not an example, actually it's a prerequisite, you should know it. Okay, I'll remove that example point. This is not example, actually you should know it. For doing every problem, this is required now. Okay, great. So now what is there here? 0 is there. First one is 0 is there. Just I'm trying to write a 0 part here. Okay, understand it carefully. Okay, so this is a state we are trying to write here, and one more state I try to write it here. Great. See, so two states I try to I'm trying to write here. Okay, great. See, then what yes. So two states I'm trying to write here. So just I'll try to write this part here. Great. So first state I'll name it as 1. Okay. You can name it like anything, guys. Okay, no problem here. Next, I'll try to give a name. Okay. Oh, wait a moment. Okay, 1 second. Okay, no naming is not necessary. I'll tell you how to write the namings later part. Okay, so now just so we are trying to send this meaning zero symbol from one state to another state alva. So this is one state. Okay, I'm carrying zero symbol. See, I'm carrying zero symbol to another state here. So that is the meaning. Okay, first of all we have to start it. No, we have to start it. So that's why this is the start state, and this is end state. So zero symbol we are carrying. Okay, understood? Got the clarity? Great. Okay, so we are done for this zero part here. Okay, now we are done for zero. Now I'll not take the dot operator right now. Okay, I'll just try to build my you know uh, construction with for the symbol 1 year. Okay, great. So just I'm taking the symbol 1 year. See what I'm trying to write here. Understand it carefully here. Okay, so this is one state. Okay, this is one state. Okay, similarly, how I written for zero, I'm writing for 1 year. See, so just I'm telling that to states from one state to another state. So which symbol we are carrying here? One. Okay, zero and one. Okay, understood? Got the clarity? There is a zero symbol. There is a one symbol. Okay. So we are done with this one. Okay, zero also we are done, and one is also we are done. Okay, what is the operator? It's present here. There is a operator present that is called dot. Dot andre and operator. Okay, meaning and operator meaning we should combine. Okay, so this particular point you are supposed to understand it. Okay, dot operator meaning we should combine. Okay, join. Okay, however you want you can understand it. Okay, join together. Okay, so this with zero and this one we are supposed to join. Okay, so how to join I'll tell you in a beautiful way here. Okay, so it's easiest thing here. See, since we are doing with construct an NFA with the epsilon moves. Okay, now we have to use epsilon andre so this is a symbol epsilon. Okay, we are supposed to use epsilon. Okay, epsilon andre null. Okay, so zero is there and one is there, so both we are supposed to join. How to join? So this way. See, this is zero, this is one, we are joining with the symbol epsilon. See, understood? So this is all about zero and one dot operator. Okay, see, have a look at it. It's a very easiest thing. Okay, have a look at it, guys. Okay, now so now you can ask that, sir, only you are written circle. Okay, what is the naming? Okay, naming you can give anything. So always my practice of giving name is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so first I will write like this, then later I will write 1 2 okay 3 4 like that. I'll name like this. Okay, so if you don't wish to give a naming like this, you can give q0 q1 q2 q3 like that. Okay, if you wish a b c d like that. Okay, however you want, you give. Now if you like it, if you don't like it, I will give 1 2 3 4 only. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 4 states we have, and this is what here. Okay, great. So this is what you are supposed to understand it, guys. Okay, now so now whenever you started here, you have to end it here. So you have to end it here. So this is the ending state here. So just a return. So starting, ending state. Okay, understood? Got the clarity, guys? Great. So we are done with the dot operator here. Okay, so just try to move on here. Second one is plus operator. Okay, what is the meaning of plus operator here? Plus andre we are just saying that or. Okay, How it looks like, guys, our operator, it looks like this. Okay, so I'll tell that, 0 is one symbol, and 1 is another symbol. In between that, I'm just writing a plus symbol here. See, so if I write dot here, dot operator. If I write plus here, between the symbol, it is a plus operator. Yeah. Okay, so this is what you are supposed to understand in a beautiful way, guys. Okay, see, so this is what, 0 1. Okay, dot, this is what, plus. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to understand it, guys. So now, how to make this plus operator here. Okay, so if you don't know this one, guys, please, you cannot do this problem only. What I'm taking little time, I'm giving the prerequisite here. Okay, so if you don't understand this one, you cannot move this problem. 15 marks you lose. Okay, so these three basic requirement what I'm giving, so that is important here. Okay, great. So now, zero symbol, how to write it as I shown here. So this is how to write here. Okay, so just I'll take one state here, and I'll take another state. Okay, one state, another state. Okay, I will take it. Okay, great. So what is the symbol we are trying to do here? Zero. Okay, so that's where what we are supposed to do here. So from year to year, from this state to this state, okay, what we are trying to do here is, okay, zero symbol. Okay, great, great. Okay, so this is done. So zero is done. Next is what? One. Okay, we try to understand it. Okay, no, carefully. Okay, I'll write. No, yes. Wait a moment, guys. So I'll just take this one, and I'll take this particular part. Okay, so now it's the easiest way. From year to year, I'll join and I'll sending the symbol called 1 year. Okay, so one state to so this is zero symbol is carrying from one state to another state. This is one symbol is carrying from one state to another state. Two we are written. Okay, great. See, if at all closely observe this thing here, okay, there is a plus operator. Okay, in between that 0 and 1, there is a plus operator. Plus operator meaning what? Or operator meaning this way or that way. Okay, long back we understood this type of problem here. Okay, this way or that way. Okay, we are supposed to try to understand in that beautiful way here. Okay, so now in order to we are sending that R symbol meaning that way, this way, just what we are trying to do here is, so we're just taking this one, see, and writing here. Okay, one after the other we are writing, so there and here. Okay, so now carefully observe that we are supposed to use epsilon here. Okay, because this is epsilon moves. Okay, so now one start state I will write here. Okay, and one ending state I will write here. Okay, one start state, one ending state. Okay, if you don't understand this one, again, you cannot do this type of problem. Okay, forget this, 15 marks. Even if you do a small mistake here, you will not get a marks. Okay, great. Great here. Okay, so now what we are trying to do here is, I'll tell that, okay, this is a start state. Okay, see, so that's why I have written arrow symbol. Okay, again, I'll tell that this is the ending state. See, so this is the ending state. See, start state, ending state, double circle, ending state. Okay, great. Now there is since it is R, we have to we can go from this way also or this way also, anyway. Okay, see, so only one side you can go. If you go this side, you are ending up this side. If you go from this side, you are ending up this side, like that. Okay, you cannot put both the legs at at a time together. Yeah, so if you go here, this side, if you go here, this side. Okay, like R symbol. But here, see, and meaning you have to consider 0 also, you have to consider 1 also here. Okay, so that is how you are supposed to understand it. Okay, so now once I started here, it's a very simple. I'm ending up here first. See, once I started this side, we are ending up this side. Started, ending. Okay, so now I'm just saying that epsilon symbol. Here this is epsilon, this is epsilon. See, meaning it is a epsilon move, no? So that's the way we are writing this one. 0 epsilon epsilon. Here epsilon. Okay. Here epsilon. Okay. Since it is epsilon move like that. Epsilon meaning null. See, if I read like this, what you are trying to understand here? See, from I started here, null. Okay, nothing is there. My string is nothing. Okay, epsilon. Epsilon meaning nothing. Okay. So next, I'm trying to do 1. Yes, 1. My string is 1. Just I'm ending. Next, null meaning ending. Nothing. Nothing. I'm not carrying any symbol. Just going to end here. Okay, 1. So my string is 1 now. First. If I go this side, this is null. Epsilon under null. Nothing you will read. Next 0. Okay, next epsilon. So that's why it is reading only 0. If you go this way, you are getting only 1. If you go this side, you are getting 0. So that is how we are telling our operator 0 or 1 here. Okay, understood? Got the clarity? Great. Okay, we are done with this R operator also. Okay, great. I done dot operator, I done this operator. Okay, meaning plus operator. Okay, great. Once we got to know about plus operator and dot operator, we shall try to move on for star operator. Okay. What is the third requisite here, prerequisite here is star operator. Okay, good. Star operator meaning, so yes, I will take any length here. Okay, so star operator meaning any length. Okay, any length. Okay, including any length meaning including epsilon, including null, 0. That is also 0 length is also a string. Alva, we will learn long back in the DFA problems only. Okay, great. So now I'll take one symbol as 0. Okay, only one symbol I'm taking right now. Okay, so we can use any one symbol or both the symbols. Okay, first of all, I'm showing only for one symbol. I'm just telling that 0 star here. Okay, 0 star here. See, so you have to write 0 star tara baribedi. Don't write like this. Okay, you have to write like this: 0 to the power of star. Understood? Got the clarity? So star always you are supposed to write at the powers. Okay, great. So 0 star meaning what here? Okay, we all we know that how to write 0 here. Okay. See, again I forgot to mention the names here. Okay, so you can give beautiful names here. That is 1 2 3 4. 1 2. So like this 3. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಬರಬೇಡಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ 4 5 ಅಂತ. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್. 1 2 3, then you come back like this 4, then you write like this 5, then you write like this 6 here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 here. Okay, great. Next, so here 0 star. 0 star is easy to write here. Okay, so first of all, I'm taking one state here and another state here. Okay, 2 states we have taken here. Okay, so from here to here, I'm just sending the, see here, that is one state, this is another state here. Okay, great. So what is the symbol we are using? 0. So that's why I'm writing 0 here. Okay. So that's why I'm writing 0 here. Got the clarity, guys? Great here. Okay, yes. Now 0 star andre enu, we have to send any length, meaning epsilon also including our 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, correct? 4 zeros like that. Okay, any length here. Okay, great. Now, okay, now it's easy way here. Okay, only one symbol we have, 0 symbol. So that's why first of all I'll read only one symbol. Okay, how to read it? First of all, I have to write one another state, meaning starting state, ending state. Okay, I will take one starting state. See, however I'm writing, you understand in that way only. See, I'm writing, in some format. Okay, so if you understand, in that format only, this problem is very, very easy. 15 marks, it's your cup of tea. Okay, it's easily you can, take 15 marks into your pocket. Okay, so if you don't follow this one, again it will be complicated for you guys. Okay, so that's up to you how you are, how your capacity to understand, how you are, focusing. That's up to you guys. Okay, so now, so from this state to this state, what I'm trying to do here, I'm just sending epsilon symbol. See what I'm trying to do here, I'm just sending epsilon symbol. From year to year, I'm just sending epsilon symbol first. Easiest guys. Okay now, so year to year I just sent epsilon symbol, year to year epsilon. So why? Because this is ending state. Yake andre this is ending state first. See, ending state. So this is starting state. If at all, if I closely read this string here, so from starting, from this state to this state, epsilon andre null, from this to year 0, from year to year epsilon. Okay, meaning at least 1 0 I read it here. Alva, great. So this is what you understood now. Okay, 1 0 at least I can reading now. Okay, great. Now I want only epsilon, meaning I don't want this 0. Okay, suppose one person dinga, he will tell that, okay, sir, I don't want to read this 0 only, sir. Okay, so I want to go directly. Okay na, directly from year to year I want to go it, meaning from first state to last state directly we can send him first. Okay na, great. Okay, understand. Again I will tell you once again, this is for example, one person dinga. Okay, he don't want, for example, here some place is there. Okay, he don't want to go this place, so that's why directly what he is doing from starting state to ending state, he just directly he is moving first. Epsilon. Good. Understood? Got the clarity, guys? Okay. So this is from first state to last state, we send it directly epsilon here. Okay, meaning we are not reading 0 symbol. Okay, if we wish to read, you can go this way straight, meaning you can read only 1 0. Sir, I want to read 2 zeros. What I'm supposed to do? Here it is not possible to read 2 zeros now, as of now. Okay, if you want to read 2 zeros here, again understand it carefully. From year to year, see what I'm trying to do here. From this state to this state, okay, this state to this state, just I'm sending epsilon symbol, again null symbol. Why you cannot send 0? Because this is 0, this is 0, 2 0, 3 0. Understood? 1 0. If we give 0 here, that will becomes 2 0, 3 0. Meaning you will not get 2 zeros. Every time you are getting like odd numbers, 1 0 or 3 0, 5 zeros, like that you will get. You will not get 2 zeros. So that is the purpose we are giving epsilon there. Okay. So that is the purpose we are sending epsilon, meaning null. So now 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0, any number of 0 you can read it. Okay, I'll show you once again. I will come this side, 1 0, again I will go this side, 2 zeros, again I will go this side, again 3 zeros, 4 zeros, any number of zeros, you can read it. Alva, after satisfying with your reading of desired number of zeros, you can just end up like this. So this is the way here. Okay, I hope that you all understood it here. Okay, so this is what star. Okay, great. See here. Concentrate for a couple of minutes here. So this is what star operator. Note it somewhere. It's a very important. Okay, if you don't know these three things, okay, very difficult. Okay, what is the tip I can give for you people? As soon as you are enter into the examination hall, okay, now there is a last page. Okay, last page always use it for working, last 1 or 2 pages. Okay, working space use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. That is, for example 39 or 40th page, I guess. Okay, now both page you use it for working space. And as soon as you enter into the examination hall, ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Dot operator, plus operator, star operator, you write it in the last page. Okay, na? So this question is compulsory. When you get that question, when you are answering here, okay, when you are answering in the main sheets, just look into that and write it here. If you don't do like that, remembering is very difficult. Okay, why? I'll tell you. Because even though if you're very strong, there is possibility of doing wrong. If you very well, also there is a possibilities of minor mistakes. So ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅದು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, that is your wish. Great. Concentrate. Okay, this is easiest way I'll tell you. Okay, how to this technical way I told it. One simple way is there to remember this one. Okay, that also I'll tell you how to remember this one. Okay, this is 1, first is 2, 3, 4 states. State, don't forget it to write, mention the names, guys, please. Okay, this is I know I like it, so that's why I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you don't like this one, you can follow some other names. Okay, Anganta, don't give your names. Okay, your names, your boyfriend name, girlfriend name, don't give it. So now yeah, how to remember this one is easiest, guys. Okay, concentrate 1 minute. Okay, it's easy. First one dot ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 0.1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. How to do it? Write 2 states ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 1 state 2 states ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, 2 states. Okay, meaning this is 0 ಅಂತ you are writing, this is 1 ಅಂತ you are writing ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಡಾಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? You have to join it. Join ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? From ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಗೂ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಗೂ you are joining ಅಷ್ಟೇ. With whom? Epsilon. ಮುಗೀತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? you are telling that this is start state, this is ending state. We are done. No, ಅಷ್ಟೇ, easy. ಡಾಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, concentrate. We'll go for plus now. Okay, plus ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? R sir. Okay, ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? So 2 states we are writing. Okay, meaning this is 0. Okay na? So again we are writing 1 here. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡಾಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೀದಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, 1 ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾರಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಜಾಯಿನಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಜಾಯಿನಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಪ್ಸಿಲಾನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಎಪ್ಸಿಲಾನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಎಪ್ಸಿಲಾನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಎಪ್ಸಿಲಾನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Last one. Okay, so star meaning plain closure. Here see star, how to write it? Easy. Note code. Sir, we are writing desired symbol 0 andre 0 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಮುಗೀತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ another 2 states ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 state ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಪ್ಸಿಲಾನ್ ಹಾಕಿ. this state you join it here, write it epsilon ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, this is start state ಅಲ್ವಾ, so this is ending state alva. Okay, great. So understand it. Idu 1 alva, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 alva. First to last to join ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, easy to remember. First to last na join ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಳಿಸಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ third and 2 middle 2 persons ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, 2 guys are there, you send it back like this. Okay, first to last you have to send epsilon. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಗು ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಇಂದ 2 ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಓಕೆ, So diagram will be done. Okay, this is remembering purpose. Technically I told it how it will works. Okay, so which one you like it, you remember like that. Okay, but ultimately you should understand it as well. Great. Okay, have a look at it. Okay, take couple of minutes and have a look at it. Okay, so then we can go for problems here. Have a look at it, guys. Okay, now so this is dot operator. Have a look at it. Yeah, take a look at it. Plus operator quickly. Yeah, again look at it. This one star. Yes, once we're done with that one, we'll move for problems here. Problem number 116. Yes, okay. Construct an NFA with epsilon moves for 0, 0 star. Okay. Yes. So this is a problem here. So 0, 0 star. Okay. How to do it? First of all, okay, solution. Okay. So if we don't give dot here, there is a dot is present here. Okay. So that's why you have to write it 0 dot 0 star. Alva. If they're not given, dot here, it's nothing but dot. Alva. So 0 dot star, 0 star. You have to carefully observe that star is only for single zero, not for both a zero. If they have given like this 0 0 star, then it is star for both 0 and 1. Sorry, both the zeros. Okay. Great. Now don't get confused much here. It's okay. So they have given 0 0 star here. Okay, we know that how to write it, alva. So by simple we are taking this zero here. Just we are writing. Okay, great. From there to here I am writing with symbol 0. Done. Great. So we are done with this 0 now. Okay na. Next I will take up 0 star here. 0 star andre ಏನು sir? Easy sir. 4 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. Okay. See, one state, sir. Two states, sir. Okay. Three states, sir. Okay. Four states, sir. Four states ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ sir. Okay, so then what we are doing after writing four states here, sir? Easy, sir. We are sending this arrow symbols like this. Okay, easily we are writing, sir. Which is the symbol, sir? Zero. So that zero we are writing, sir. Easy. So then for starting we are writing epsilon, and for ending we are writing epsilon, sir. Easy, sir. Okay, done. And from starting state to ending state, we are sending epsilon, sir, because Dinga will not like to read this one. So that's why from start to ending, we are sending with epsilon, sir. Okay, now yes, great. From 3 to 2, middle 2 persons are there, sir. From there to here, we are sending back, sir, epsilon. Because any number of 0, I want to read it as. Easy, sir. Okay, so 0 is done, sir. 0 star is done. Okay, now middle one, guy is there, that is star. Okay, now so this star meaning what? Joining, combining together. Okay, with whom? Epsilon. Adikke, what we are doing here, from year to year, just we are linking with epsilon. Okay, once we are done with this one, don't forget to write as starting and ending. First starting, ending, don't write it. At the end, you have to write like me. Okay, na? See? So that's why I told it, follow me, easy to construct. See, this is start, I written ending also. Istike mugita, no sir. Last thing is naming, sir. We are giving name for everyone. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6. Okay, great. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Okay, so a given. So this is the required problem here. Okay, great. Have a look at it. Yes, guys. Okay, so problem 116 is done. Next, problem number 117. Okay,